Hello and welcome back to the Medium related YouTube channel. This is Revolver Ocelot Medium. Yes, my friends, you heard it right, because I have changed my brand name to Revolver Ocelot on my main YouTube channel. On this one, I'll change it as well. And I'm called Revolver Ocelot these days, my friends, not Liquid Ocelot. So let's go and share. Let me share my Medium December 2023 earnings with you, my friends, which is very important for you guys to know. And let's go December, share with you December. Yes, $11.09. Thanks fully to the people who have joined via my referral link long time ago, and I think they are yearly subscribers. They purchased yearly subscription, and they are still getting me money in the month of December. They paid me $11.09, the referrals, but right now it isn't working anymore. So even if somebody joins via buys a Medium membership via your referral link, it won't work anymore, my friends. And then comes the articles, my friends. The rant regarding winters, a fun article got me $13 or so. Video game addict interview, good article, funny article, 9.25. And state of TikTok in Pakistan should have done better, 7.63. Brad Pitt movie 5, the Meg 4, and so on, my friends. So overall, I showed you my best performing articles, and since the arrival of Friend of Medium, I have purchased it, Friend of Medium, and the earnings have increased by $80 or something, $75 or something, because last month they were $107, my friends. So I've earned $182.87 in the month of December 2023 on Medium. And my friends, I'm going to be making some videos about the new audio gear that I have purchased. I have got, I'm right now talking in a SM7B. And I told you guys that I would be buying an SM7B. Also, it is connected to the Focusrite Scarlett Vocaster 2. So you must be seeing a bump in the audio quality, my friends. Audio quality has improved considerably, my friends. This is something that I have paid almost $340 or more or something. I have just somehow done it, my friends. So thanks for watching, my friends. More content coming soon. Stay tuned on the Medium related YouTube channel. A lot of people have been telling me about sharing some. They have some confusion with the friends link of Friend of Medium getting external traffic, and I'm going to be talking about that soon as well. Take care, my friends.